tomorrow, next year, you're going to school na?
Yeah.
Huh?
And did you tell you what his name? Name Papa Tawa.
He's coming 4 years old, baby, no? He's coming 4 years old. Huh? After 5 years? But nowadays is starting K1, K2, K3. A nursery, junior nursery, something like that. Goodness, good moment. Yeah. No, he need to go to school for Quran. You need to learn Quran, Mama. You're coming big.
That one you have to go in Al-Fanar Masjid
Yeah.
to take him next week. To
Next.
register him. If you
Yeah.
register him.
Yes. Kailan lang face-to-face nyo sa Alpanar?
Hindi ko alam kung mag-o-open ulit.
Wala pa ba?
Wala pa. Parang ni Joan kahit nansamo tagis lang.
Bakit?
Kinakwaksi ka, no, kaya't mo, mag-decide ka, hindi pwedeng pilitin ka kung na. Kanya.
Gusto niya mag-Islam?
Oo, gusto niya.
Oh,
Si Johan daw.
sure.
Sabihin mo, pakasalan na lang niya si Rakta.
What? What?
What? Pakasalan niya na
Si Ryan. They can get married together. Then they will live here. Sabagay, kung engineer ba ang boyfriend niya? Di ba sabi engineer boyfriend niya?
Oo, yung isa nanliligaw. Nanliligaw pa lang, hindi pa niya sinagot.
Naghahanap yun ng ano.
Very big story.
Yeah. She is interested to become a Muslim. She's telling them.
No, here in Doha, very big story now.
Yeah.
Beautiful, you know.
Yes. She wants
One
something good na.
One lady
Ah.
in his account 223,000 riyal. She is searching man, Filipino nurse.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Qatari?
not Qatari.
What?
She is searching husband. She want to marry, but maybe she will not come Muslim because she have lot of money. Because who don't have money, they are.
Oh, boat!
So she will.
Yes, both.
Go in the boat.
Yes, both.
What nationality?
Filipino.
Filipino din?
Let's
Yeah,
cut this fish,
that's why I
okay?
tell you, no, she is yeah, she is searching one loyal man to marry.
You can fish.
If Riyan wants, what like look at her.
She's beautiful?
Yeah,
Where she's working?
nurse na,
Nurse.
Ahmad hospital. That's why she has
She's
7,000
big, she's big or what?
I think 28 years.
How you know?
This one for doctor we are searching na, Rizwan tell me. Because behind Rizwan too much ladies.
Oh, womanizer.
Nalang agsarita ni Muhammad din
Oh,
sika.
dire-diretso na.
Wala pa no may J ay kwarto
You
ko no
speak
ko.
very well na. Marami na siyang kwento.
Oo, ore pa no mo may J kwarto nga ro data. Kun.
Meron na siyang because.
Because
I don't want like that. Toti is not
Di ba, tapos ito ni Kodtine, Ikea,
Nino?
ni Christina, awan?
Hindi, dyan sa Doha Festival.
Ah,
Sa may big silver. No. Day off niya ngayon.
kaya nasa bahay sila.
We can sit for bed.
Kam Muhammad.
Again?
Glass is good, but they didn't really. The splendor also weak. The splendor means really when you wear this one eyeglasses. Now everything like that shaking.
Right.
Ngayon lang na naman akong nakalabas ng gabi. ng gabi na ganito.
Oh, too many lights.
Yes, so many lights.
How many years, how many months before you come out of Melbourne? Too much?
2 months.
Too much? No, we go out last month. When we go in Legacy, that time we go to
Okay, okay.
Travel.
Oh, too many lights. Let's go into the other house. What light? See, you told me a light. Wow.
You forget your way, have you?
Go this way, then depending on the weather.
Heavy, mabigat.
This food even cannot understand. My bacha telling her with the hand.
Mabigat daw.
And you don't know he is the son of the engineer. Who even no one knows that he can the hand can explain.
Heavy. Wala na, hanggang
I
happy.
thought happy because his accent na.
When I didn't knows the Arabic, then I am with the hand can explain them.
No people can
Spoken. He already know everything.
deep bite. Because
Tampit. Because pa yun nun.
He is already straight talking.
Because?
Nakakatuwa pa nag-sermon.
No.
What?
It's magic auntie. Like it. Oh, you're not going to get this. This one you can put
So,
in house.
kasi-
That one you can put in
Babaamlat ta? Kasta talaga, ubeng. O may di kwarto ata, nakatagtagari kaya. Tapos tanagali di ka, babay Tito Pons. Kuna na latano ka kanyakon. I'm go home with mama. Kuna na latas ka. Magpapaalam yan.
It's one
Babay Tito Pons.
like that.
Kaya pa si Patuti din daldal eh.
It's here.
Ako nga mo, Tito.
The one I think open there. Yeah, the one airplane. The one airplane.
We're going to Tita Cristina.
Tita Cristina home. You know? Tita Cristina home?
Oh, airplane. I did going to.
Tatanak lang mapandit ah. Anak pa na napantabalay ito.
Dami niyang dami niyang paninda. Tambak. Punong-puno yung bodega nila. Kasi by container sila kumukuha eh.
Kaya pala ganun.
Tapos may mga reseller din siya. Daming camera o tatlo-tatlo. Ay, too much camera.
Yes. Thomas taking gas.
Door.
Nag-stop over sa gas station.
Huh?
Stop over for gas station.
No.
Yung gas station, this one.
Potato?
Yes, gas station.
I want to show you something more. Nag-send ng picture si ate sa'yo?
Hindi pa.
Sa bahay nyo?
Hindi pa. Nag-send sa GC?
Hindi. Yan o. She's asking if the steel is okay.
Oof, too much she's
Yeah.
putting.
Yes. Like she's making building.
Then why she is here cantilever?
Because terrace. Terrace up.
That is big engineer.
No, why does the bike like
Like
a
that still if she is putting
Wow,
them.
do you make it how?
She's asking us to Big Boss if the steel is right.
Very,
Very too much
yes.
for the second floor. Buddha?
This is what
Huh?
ring is okay.
It's
Terrace.
okay. The size of the steel is 12 mm and 10 mm. Good?
Yeah. This one terrace here, there,
Yes,
everywhere.
yes.
How many meter?
Which one?
This one cantilever from here to here.
4x6. Ay, 4x5 yata yan.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Cantilever means from column to until here how much? How many meter?
Wow.
2.5. 2.5, 2.5. Because she have 5 meter wide.
2.5 to 2.5.
Oh, 5 meter.
Yeah.
4 by
So
5.
total of 5 meter.
And this one out, huh?
This one out 3.
3 meter.
No, 2.5 only. On the terrace.
No, the whole house, he said. 4 by 5. 4, then the...
Don't confuse me.
What I
When we come home, then I will explain you. What I am asking, what you people are telling.
you see the plant. See na?
$50 super. Height how much?
Height only 7. Yeah?
240. 240 and beam. Slab we are coming on the top of the beam.
Yes.
240. 60. 280. Okay. Not less than 280. Okay. Not less
Less
than
than
280.
280. Which one?
Slab from inside the height.
Yes.
From here height
Yes.
until the tile 280 should be.
Yes.
270 like that. Yeah. If you don't want ceiling, if you want ceiling, then 3 meter after 20 cm ceiling. This one I am asking only. From this column, this one still have coming out.
Yes.
How many meter?
For the terrace,
Yeah, for the terrace.
he's telling me 2 meter.
2 meter. Okay. But this one too much.
Too much big.
Yeah.
Up and the one chicken pink up. Yeah?
150 only chicken.
And the one
150.
pink.
Yeah.
Like a small veranda, yeah?
Yes. 150.
Because she have 2 room up.
The one can do like this up. She wants
Hmm?
to up. Yeah? We go to then come
still is
pick
okay.
up and can come
You can
up.
do
Yeah? And then they come up and filling can make up.
2 meter, huh?
Yeah,
Meter,
2
okay, no
meters.
problem.
2
And
meter.
the meter come up and they can come up. Yeah? 2 meter.
Yan o, tinadtad niya. Hindi ka ba kabado dyan?
Oo nga, lalaos. Oray aglag to lagto kay tuwin ah.
Wala nang material na available. 4 daw yung natira. Lakas ng loob eh.
Grabe, natadtad talaga oh.
Kailangan nila ng bakal. Tapos pampasahod. Last na daw yung pampasahod this week.
Grabe ang bakal oh.
Bismillah.
Oh, sorry. Hindi kayo pesa.
Hindi yan. Hindi yan keep it.
No, I always my habit. Now I am giving advance.
Don't give advance.
No, because I also.
And that is the kulong-kulong. That is the boat.
Boat, kulong-kulong.
Where did I go?
Yeah,
Hmm.
that is the e-bike for Nanay. Nanay have accident.
Huh?
Nanay have accident.
And I have been done?
Yeah. He's going to market alone. Then she also out of his mind.
Oh, did the carpet?
She bumped on where the people are selling fish.
You the effort.
This time when I go, I will tell her how to try.
No, she's old now. She's now shaking. And the food mapisida na. Basta. Matibay daw yun sa Baguio. Typhoon cannot throw away.
Siyempre, nakabim pa sa baba, tapos nagbim pa sa taas, o di wala na. Kung ano pa yon, ipa-box type niya, kagaya ng bahay nila Inang, ay naku, hindi na maano ng yero.
Ay, oo, yung lampasan niya ng
Oo, yung pader niya sa
taas.
Ay naku, wala na. Wala kang marinig na kung pag ganon.
Don't take too much time there because you might have too much pain and
Box type.
Oh, you can go there?
okay.
We can take shower.
When we come back, then
Okay.
maybe you take 3 hours there. Then how?
Mama, can you go there?
Yes, in that part? No. After when the phase 2 is open, then we can go there.
I want to go on a beach.
Beach? You want to
This
beach?
part.
But, yeah. You can go
Tita Mylene also still not go there.
Yeah, because the unicorn. I like keep going, all the that you can like go. Okay.
Tell to her, pray because we apply her visa. Hello? जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी ठीक ठाक तुम सुनाओ जी एड्डी जल्दी कितने अजे तो हुण जेड़ा है ना फैमिली टाइम शुरू होया है नहीं अजे खाना भाई बेगम दा दिल होवे तो देंदी है खाना नहीं तो पता है जवाब भी दे सकती है ना जी ठीक ठाक बिल्कुल जी ये अल्लाह पाक दा शुक्र है यार निक्की तो नहीं करती है जवान कर दावे ये हुण इंशाल्लाह जल्दी चौथे साल च टुर जाना जी पढ़ाई करके की करना अगे पढ़ के तो साथ मैं की खटिया जड़ा इस पढ़ना एक एजुकेशन दी दे सर मतलब लेकिन साबे किताबें दी नहीं नहीं पागल ही होया रहो साडे यार
Mama, you took that one.
तो ठीक ठाक करना पड़ा शुक्र है
So high, we can take them.
जी जी वो इंशाल्लाह मैं करवाता सारा इंशाल्लाह जल्दी करवाता
Tapos nagitantan na mo kay English dan to king kay mama kunadan to kana don't speak me English kunam to motor niya to no manus bleed tayon tong kay pungtot ka dagi jan na anjay kat katama min anjay manonos bleed kan samot din injay dagi tadongan na mon apo nakaislang damo gamin ko na lalo kanu di ubinga di may kaduwa nakatantanong
इंशाल्लाह ना कल सारे कर सा
katawa kami kiniriya kay
वो फूड्स का बनाना है इंशाल्लाह अगले हफ्ते में हमें बनाने वाला प्रोग्राम उन्हें नाल ना कर दइए
ni aji kanu panganay ti mga sursuro kanu yan tubing iso nga nalang walang ag English jubing i-English in kanu latan ni NATO
जी जी
nalang agisuro kami ni NATO kunan ni anji suruan na ading na
चलो मैं तो कल फोन करना ना इंशाल्लाह बनाने का कोई प्रोग्राम मेरा इकट्ठा तो कल मैं जिस टाइम दफ्तर जाना ना उस टाइम तो ना रब्ता कराना
mayat may tikas dyan
जी चलो इंशाल्लाह या जी ठीक है इंशाल्लाह जी ठीक है इंशाल्लाह जी ठीक है
Kaya madi magulo na taubingan. Yung buyan. Pasya-pasya, no maminsan. Pasya tayo mit, te rabi Kasi tayo brain tayo.
That is rich. Rich. Yes.
This is light.
Yeah, this is like
Make it light.
sit down. Sit down.
Rich.
Yeah, this is rich.
It's going up.
Yeah,
This is rich. Yes.
same like you are in a sun. Shake this morning.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम هو يدي فلوس بس راج वो भी आती है सैटरडे रोज फिर मना ना
Make it like a fish. Yeah. Like a fish. Fish. Oh, fire. Not fire.
Your amin, you should be go there.
Huh? Cutter?
Yeah,
Not cutter.
we should be there.
Don't take more.
Oh, it's so
We
dangerous.
can't get big.
What we do now? What we do now? There is no U-turn.
Yeah.
Dapat dyan sa baba sana. Pag nato siguro dyan.
Yeah, Papa forget his way. What I do?
The car is coming. It's not going.
Yeah.
The car coming. No, it's not going. But
I don't know. I'm not the driver.
many doctors.
So nalampasan na.
There's many doctors.
Yes.
Many doctors.
Diversion. You can go in there, Papa.
The doctor come here.
Papa, you can.
Yeah. What's going to?
Yeah.
What's going to like?
Can you give a message to certification?
You don't have that before? Check now. So I don't have internet.
No,
This is Pakistani school.
Uh-huh.
Pakistan.
Pakistani school, but they're telling this is very
Yeah,
Pakistan International.
International School.
We got
Oh,
it.
you want to
Pakistan
study here?
International School.
Oh, goodness. You want to
And
study
teacher
here?
can get and teacher can like the teacher. My got there, Mama. You got there. You can.
In here, they're speaking Urdu.
Hello? नाम है Sa. Sa.
What? He's angry?
Hmm?
He's angry? Why he's laughing? What's going on?
Baseball? Is it baseball? Is it baseball?
He's flying.
Live? 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 This is live over there. Yes, the other one. Yes, the other one. The other one.
Bus see that. I will check my phone.
The other one.
I think this one.
No. That is near to the roundabout.
Huh? Oh, no, what? Or did I can build this house? No, village.
Where is the roundabout?
Huh?
No. No Habibi Road.
In a big car, did it have car? In that boat. Not a car, in that boat.
Yeah, we are.
Northeast, then turn left. Take the next left.
I need to go back again.
In 200 meters, turn left toward WAAB Teba Street. Take the next left toward WAAB Teba Street, then turn left onto WAAB Teba Street.
Oh, alam market.
Then turn. Very good.
Yeah, so
Take the next left onto WAAB Teba Street, then your destination will be on the right.
There.
Ay, tita yun daw.
Your destination is on the right.
Right here.
Yeah. Go there on that way.
We can park here. No?
There.
Then people are there.
Ate Alma is there. Oh.
Oh, Atalma.